everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common headache that many Flutter developers encounter, the unresolved reference error you sometimes see when compiling your Flutter Android app. It can be frustrating when your project suddenly stops building, but don't worry, we'll go through simple, step-by-step solutions to fix it and get your app building smoothly again. An unresolved reference error simply means the compiler cannot find a specific class, method, or variable that your code is trying to use. It's like a missing piece of a puzzle. Let's dive into the common causes and how to resolve them. First, check for missing imports. Often, this error occurs because you've forgotten to import a necessary package or file into your .dart file. Look for any red squiggly lines in your integrated development environment (IDE), like Android Studio or VS Code, and use your IDE's auto-import feature, usually triggered by Alt+Enter, to add the correct import package your_package/your_file.dart statement. Next, consider incorrect package names or paths. Sometimes, the import path might be wrong, or a package name in your pubspec.yaml file could be misspelled. Double-check your pubspec.yaml for all your dependencies and ensure that your import statements accurately reflect the actual file structure and package names. Correct any typos you find. A very common issue relates to pubspec.yaml problems. If you've added a new dependency, but haven't run Flutter pub yet, Flutter won't know about it. Always run Flutter pub get in your project's root directory after making changes to pubspec.yaml. Also, verify proper indentation in pubspec.yaml, as YAML is very sensitive to spaces. Incorrect spacing will cause errors. If needed, try updating or even temporarily downgrading dependency versions for compatibility. Moving on, cache problems and stale builds are frequent culprits. Sometimes, your build cache can become corrupted, or your IDE might be using old build artifacts. To fix this, run flutter clean in your project's root directory. This command clears all cached build files. After cleaning, run flutter pubget again, and then rebuild your app using flutter run or by clicking the run button in your IDE. Restarting your IDE can also often clear internal caches and resolve strange build issues. Furthermore, Android-specific issues can lead to these errors, particularly those related to Gradle. If a native library isn't linked correctly, you might see this error. Navigate to the Android folder within your Flutter project and run /gradlew clean on Linux/macOS, or gradlew clean on Windows. Then, try rebuilding your Flutter app. Also, review Android/app/build.gradle and Android/build.gradle for any custom configurations or missing native dependencies, and ensure your Min SDK version is appropriate for your project's requirements. Lastly, sometimes it's just an IDE issue. Your IDE can get confused. In Android Studio, try file-invalidate caches/restart. Closing and reopening your project can also help. Always ensure your Flutter and Dart plugins in your IDE are up to date. Remember, always read the error message carefully. It often tells you precisely which file and which reference is unresolved, giving you a great starting point for troubleshooting. So there you have it. These steps should help you resolve most unresolved reference errors and keep your development smooth and stress-free. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your own tips or if you have any questions, and share this video with other Flutter developers. And if you want to support more content like this, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.